You can see here I started looking at some different ideas, getting it from different styles. You can see there's a lot of line icons, more illustrative icons, and then more stylistic view, which is pretty awesome. Love that type of cool stuff. And then you got the flat design, which is awesome. So, you can just type in camping in Pinterest and you'll most likely get some ideas. So look, you can see this camp checklist. That's pretty sweet. Got some pots and pans and that type of stuff. But I don't know if a lot of people actually camp. I don't do it that often, but like, the basics, you got the tents, you got the chairs and all that cool stuff. But, you can find out some ideas from looking it up. We'll try hiking as well. And just by simply typing in, some words in Pinterest, you can get some cool ideas. You can get the kind of feel of what type of the bags people use, what are the equipment. Like here you can see, the water bottles, the sleeping bags, jackets. Like you can create so many cool icons that are going to resonate with people in this type of field, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, get some inspiration, go read some books, go read some, outdoor books, and you'll get some cool inspiration there.